there's nothing worse than I don't mind if I hear it from broke black people that are not doing nothing with their lives, black people that have the victim mentality, black people that think like trust me, there's some mad black people out here that think that white people from a young age want to become teachers so that they can infiltrate the education system and make sure black children cannot get educated so that they become failures and that. If I hear it from those sorts of black people that have the victim mentality, it's bad enough, but it's a whatever thing because their mind is in the wrong place. But it's actually embarrassing to hear the victim mentality from a black person who's actually succeeded coming from poor and deprived backgrounds. Like, shouldn't they know better? Shouldn't they know that, you know, even if you're a black person, like, if you work hard, you know, you can become something and that. Shouldn't they know that, you know, if you're on the right path, you will not be getting stop and searched by the police and that. I guarantee you, this brother here does not get stop and searched by the police. This brother here ain't getting found with bags of weed and skunk and them things there. And then the maddest thing is a man will come out with a statement like, teach the police how to handle black people. Are you a madman, fam? Seriously. This is the thing, yeah? When you don't want to take accountability, so I'm not even talking about my man now, innit? Yeah. When your mindset is the type of mindset where you don't want to take accountability, what you do is you point the finger at everybody else apart from yourself. The police do not need to have lessons, because I've made a video about this before, talking about man that say the police need to be taught how to handle black people. The police do not need to be taught how to handle black people. Black people need to stop getting into trouble. Man need to stop the gang thing, stop the knife thing, stop the crime thing. It's easy to point the finger and say, the police should learn how to handle black people. No. Why not say, it's easier to say that than say, why don't we teach black people to stop committing crimes, fam? Why are we so special as a race that the police have to have extra training on how to deal with us? I've never heard anyone say, the police need extra training to deal with Chinese people, Indians, Albanians, Somalians. I've never heard that before. Turkish people, Kurdish people. I never heard that before. Why do we believe we're some fucking prima donnas to the point where the police need training on how to handle black people? No, black people need training on how to stop committing fucking crimes, blood. I have a house. You have a house. You live in a house. Are we going to go out and campaign and try and teach all the criminals in this world not how to not burgle houses? No, lock your fucking Ross Clark door, blood.